Ito yung pinsan ni Miss Anna. Pinsan, parang third cousin na namumuno dito sa Lebanon. Ay, sa lugar nila, sa village. Mag-hi tayo kasi. Magkahiya. Marhaba!
هلا انتوا هون ها
شوي اليوم هون هلا على الغداء هلا بس يجهز الغداء بدق لك
Itang bahay niya. May dati siyang Pilipina, pero umuwi na siya. Namutol sila ng kahoy, oh. Panggatong ito sa winter. Yan yung bahay niya.
الحمد لله الحمد لله الحمد لله
Itang Pilipina.
هلا رح يحطوا عربية وهذا بس يجهز
يلا يلا
ماشي
Ayan.
اوكي يلا
Yarab. Ayan.
هلا بدي اخذك هلا باخذك هلا باخذك معوض سكر خير ايه عرفها
Baby.
كان هيك عرفها هو شو عنده مثله
Dito na kami. Itong Teresa Han? Ba? Yung. Ayan, dito na kami, guys. Sa body pa.
لا 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 يا شباب لا لا لا
Dito na kami. Ito
طيب
yung...
عمالي عمالي معلش
Ay, la shilto hayda.
يلا
They cut it?
نزلوا نزلوا اغراض
Yeah, dito na kami sa village.
ولا كده صفينا يلا يلا نزل
Nakarating na kami. Kita-kits mamaya. Tignan natin kung anong meron dito.
يلا يلا
Yes.
يلا بابا نزلوا الاغراض العاديات هودي بساعدكم يلا نجيب عليك البارودي ونرجع نجيب
Welcome home sa village, guys. Oh, ito yung meat na pang lunch namin.
يلا يلا يلا
Oh, help him try to put out huh?
يا خي شو هو بده يروح معي
Glass na kaya. Hala, you go? I want to blast.
انا بدي ابيك
I hope you did not forget the key. Be careful, mama. They cut the trees dito. Oh, why?
شو قاضي هذا عماد
Yung garden, walang tanim kasi summer ay winter. Walang mga tanim. Tignan yung mga dahon, guys, oh. Nawala. You remove all? They remove kami the rose. Ito ang bahay ngayon, marumi. We clean. Ito ang bahay sa village, guys. Welcome home. Yay. Welcome home. Home sweet home.
تحت الفرش حطيتها بصير
It's low, but you have only 6%. Hello, it's time. Dito na kami sa village. Maglinis tayo kasi sobrang dumi. Nagliparan ang mga dahon. Bakit may sili dito?
Okay, yeah. Anyways, it's not charging. I don't know if it's charging.
I see.
It's not charging.
Well, let's heck, I will heck. It will charge.
And to go next to the church.
Yeah, that's right. Look, wala na yung rose, tinanggal.
Look, they cut the tree.
Mamaya ano tayo, guys. Linisin lang natin ito. And mag-tour tayo dito sa village. Visit. Early visit.
So it is just here.
Yes, They will go now.
I'm bizarre.
Mamaya punta tayo doon.
Mommy,
Eh?
it's 9:13. Hold.
Le?
أنا بيجي معك تيتا.
لأنه بدي أجيب ماما شو اسمه بدي أجيب بعد بطاطا وأجيب بصل بلكن ب100 صينية كبة هلا معها. إيه
بيجي معك
إيه
تيتا.
تكرمي تيتا. بس شكل بدي أعمل بدك كيس ماما يلا تعطيك الكيس.
You take.
Bakit lakin na I will charge?
Do you have 4G?
No. Hi guys. Tignan nyo naman itong lugar ng biyanan ko. Ito ang old house nila. So, ay di pala. Ayan. Tignan nyo yung garden nila. Oh, hindi nila na nagtanim ngayong winter kasi malamig. Asan na yung persimmon natin? Persimmon natin. Yan yung persimmon guys. Oh, wala nang dahon. Kasi nga winter pero uusbong yan pag spring ngayon. Pag winter mga usually yung mga nakikita yun na yan almonds. Ano? Walnut. Yan. Pero uusbong ang mga yan dahon. Pati yung mga olive. Ay yung olive hindi naman siya namatay, nawalan ng dahon. Yung mga ano lang, peach, apple, pomegranate, ano pa yung mga prutas dito, yung tim, yung fig, yung mga, may almonds daw dito, pero hindi ko pa nakita yung puno yan, nasa baba daw. Ano pa yung mga puno dito? Basta marami. Grapes, walang yan grapes yan pero pag spring summer yan uusbong yan. Okay. Doon kami galing kanina. Yan, ang ganda. Tahimik. Ito ang gusto ko sa buhay, yung tahimik. Wala kang marinig kundi uhuni ng ibon. Siguro dito kami magtanda ni Mr. Gusto ko dito guys. Magtanim. Yan, ako. Buhay village talaga. Village life. Walang tao masyado. Walang chismosa. Walang car na maingay. Puro ibon. Guys. Ito, pinutol na nila kasi uusbong pa yan. Hindi pa nalinis. Nilinis ko lang yung tinanggal ko yung dahon. Wala sila, mister. Nasa baba sila. Naghahunting ng ibon kasama si Bunso. Si mama naman, pumunta sila sa Dicken kasi bibili sila ng patata. Yun ang nakalimutan namin guys. Patata. Sino ang maganda dito? Sino ang ayaw ko lang dito walang internet. Pero sabi ng asawa ko magpapakabit kami dito. Pero yung mga usually yung mga ibang bahay may internet na. Okay, yan na po. Dito na sila, dumating na. Nakalimutan namin yung Pepsi. Bumili din si mama ng Pepsi. Be careful, feet on hon. You carry, you have mens.
Yeah, no.
It's not good.
Pregnant?
No.
What are you talking about?
You have your jacket? Okay, nato magawa tayo ng food. Kasi bisita nila mama yung pizza ni Mister. Charge ko lang to. My camera yesterday. Oh, hala, it's hello. Hello. Hi, mga kapitbahay. Mag-prepare po tayo ng food kasi may bisita po tayo mamaya. Yung pinsan ni Mr. yung kanina yung nasa daan. So, siya yung bisita natin mamaya. Prepare po tayo ng food. Barbecue po tayo. Today is Saturday, so pwede lang kumain ng meat. At si Mr. at saka si Kian pumunta sila sa baba, naghunting sila ng bird. Kumbaga ano ba, maglaro lang ba sila? Turuan ni Mr. na si Mr. kasi na ano yan sa nature. Gusto niya. Kung sabi nga niya, kung wala yung trabaho niya malapit lang dito kami mag-stay, kaso malayo. Wala pa yung traffic na yun.
Yeah,
so,
you can go through a plane from here to there.
no, but telling them, you're joking me yan eh. I'm telling them the time when you ride car, yan, without traffic. Eh. Ito yung parsley binila namin dito kasi fresh. Ay doon sa village nila mama. Sa Aituli. May kumakantang matanda. You hear that? Someone is singing. May kumakantang matanda.
بيكونوا هون تحت.
Wait.
في وحدة رابطة تعملي ولا بنجيب؟
لا في. You hear? Ay, the radio or you?
لك لا تحت. I saw a man تحت ولا من.
He's singing.
So next week. Next week March 20. On Friday, who will?
March 21, Mother's Day.
March 21, Mother's Day?
Yes.
Or March 20. by the way, شوفي تاتا.
أنا تأشر بس أنا سنين كبي صغيرة.
By the way, do you know Justin's birthday
No.
is shoot?
I don't know.
I'm telling you.
You're asking me.
Justin's birthday is March 18 next year.
Ah, really?
هلا March شو? I don't know, 16, 15, لا شو عرفت 15 I think. His birthday is after Mary's birthday. بعدين في رمضان.
Hello guys. We will go to drive.
We went to the
I don't know. Where we will drive, Han?
Oh, no.
No! Turuan daw ako ni Mr. mag-drive dito sa maliit na eskenita.
Where's that? She's here?
Look,
Wow.
we killed two. I went to look at one. I lost. We couldn't find it. Yeah. So I went down to the holiday. The second one we broke.
I had fun
Mag-ano tayo dito, maglakwat siya sa village. It's better we walk, huh? Don't cut. Ay,
just say you don't want to drive, mommy.
You don't want to drive? Oh,
bala.
Get down. Get down. Fix the tabuli.
I fixed already.
Tabuli? Yeah, your business. Tabuli. Your ultimate job. Tabuli.
Itang village, bakit ko pinapakita?
We went down to Aldia. Your wife, Ahmad.
Not yet, huh? Yeah, we are busy in the house.
Kids, this is your house here, Baba. Later. And then your mom dies. This is your house here. Yeah. It's for you, Baba. No matter what happens, at least you have houses and 2-3 lands here. You hear me? I don't know how we will spread them. Spread them. Maybe we will give Cheyenne the house and Kian will sleep outside the land. That will be for you, madam. No, you can go down and dig and plant like mommy. Be a good farmer. You plant Paradura and then you go sell it. You plant cucumber and then you go sell it. And then you plant nana and you go sell it. Wait.
Tignan niya guys, oh, ang ganda. Yan yung sinasabi kong puno kung saan nag-stay si Jesus Christ.
Oh yeah.
Mamaya punta tayo doon. This the tree, huh?
Yes.
This the tree where Jesus Christ sit. Ayan. Mamaya i-focus natin. Dumaan siya dito noon. Yala siya yun na, Nick. I don't know. Come! But you, we come back here.
Can't you remove the bullet?
Voilà. Oh, I removed it. So that's why. خليني ارجع هذا شوي.
And mommy.
Kids, if you feel afraid, you can stay here.
They don't trust me. They don't trust
We go
my
up, Baba. Should we stay here?
capacity.
يلا. So mommy will drive here. She will go on the road. Ty, hold the camera. انت وانا next to mommy. يلا.
I want to hold the gun.
Come. Let's go. Sit down. Le? I.
Mommy will go get them.
Hey,
Where?
Mommy, you will every time hold the gun.
Shotgun ito.
You know the big ones, small, not that small.
Ito.
Small, they need your gun, but خلاص.
Ganda ng flower. Wild flowers ito. Naalala nyo ito? Walnuts ito. Pero wala siyang dahon kasi namatay. Ay naglagas nung fall. And sa spring, lalago sila. Ang ganda dito guys pag spring laglabas sa mga wild flowers. Look at these flowers. Tiny
I want
flowers.
to stay quiet. I should have worn my Nike shoes.
Look. Mga white flowers. Doon na sila. Giant, look at they are here. Ganda guys.
Come on.
Yeah, look the bees. Wild bees.
You know how this one, you love me not. Remember the man that told us?
Yeah.
Hey, the other one you don't remember? The
Wala.
woman from Dubai. But we went to the man.
Yeah,
His
look.
we went to.
Very nice. The may mga bato-bato oh. Look, it's like in garden. Look. How nice. Look, Cheyenne, there. There, they are here. Oh, there, oh, look. Oh. Touch your phone.
Yellow flowers.
May purple
I
din.
know that they're not poison, eh?
No, mama. Wildflowers. Usually they grow.
You know, I'm not supposed to be under the sun.
It's okay. Wow, ang ganda. Wildflowers, guys. Look. Here, Cheyenne. Look, guys. Ang ganda ng mga flowers.
Mommy, Hala, you're in someone's house.
No, they are not here. Mafi hadan ho. Wow. I follow daddy. Hello guys! Mainit po. 12 o'clock na pero hindi siya masakit sa skin. Ito, mga ano ito? Ano na ito na tree? Nakalimutan ko na. Fig ata ito. Yes, fig. Madaming fig dito sa lugar nila mama. Sa village nila mister. Zaytun. Yan yung mga olives. Olive tree. Sana sila mister. Hintayin namin dito kasi yung persimmon doon. Wala mga dahon guys. So, mga almonds ito. Ay. So, yeah. These are the trees of walnut guys, yung mga walang dahon. Dito sa lugar nila mister, sa village sila, maraming walnut. Kapag season niya, nahuhulog lang sila. Oo. Ayan, pahinga ako. Nakapagod kasi bumaba. Doon, yun yung bahay namin bahay nila Johnny. Doon. Mamaya bababa tayo sa ano nila, sa lugar nila, ay sa garden. Look, it's nice to sit there. Puro white flower, wild flowers.
My
Ganda.
ass. I feel it wet. Where can I say it?
Sit on. You can sit.
Should sit here.
It's clean, mama. It's clean. It's grass.